Morning children. In our previous class we discussed about work and energy. What is a work? When a work is said to be done, when a force is applied, object should move certain distance, then a work is said to be done. See here, it is a water bottle. When a force is applied and just it is moving certain distance, when a force is applied it is moving to other hand, at that time work is said to be done. And work is denoted with the letter W. W is equals to F into S. What is a F? Force. What is a S? Distance. When an object applies a force, when a force is applied on an object, it should move certain distance. Then work is said to be done. And force is measured in newtons. Distance is measured in meters. Newton meters are joules are the units of a work. Now comes to the few examples here. A person is lifting a cement bags and just is putting down. According to us is doing work. According to science also is doing work. And second example, a girl is playing with a toy car. According to us she is playing, not doing any work. But science will feel that when a force is applied, the car is moving certain distance, then work is said to be done. And third example, a rock is pushed with a huge, when it is pushed, a boy is pushing a huge rock. The rock is not moving from their place. According to us is working hard to lift that rock, but according to science, as the place is not changed, distance it is does not move any distance, so it is not a work. To understand the meaning of a work, we have to discuss a few more examples. When we lift any object from that place, just will feel that is lifting and keeping aside, but science will feel that the work is done. Work is done. Now children, here few things are given and one problem is based on the work it is given. Now comes to the energy. What is the energy? Capacity to do work is said to be a energy. Idea of a work. Idea of energy. Capacity to do the work is said to be a energy. Just you're dropping a marble in a clay plate or a glass plate, breaks. This means the marble is having that capacity to break the clay into a two pieces. Okay. Next, and just here spring, putting the pressure on the spring and leaving it jumps at the side. It is nothing but a one type of a work is done. How? By using your energy. To do that energy, to do that work, you are using energy. It is capacity to do the work. And kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is a two types of energies we have, that is potential energy and kinetic energy. Now you see the figure 11a. A metal ball is at rest near the block. When you push the metal block with a force, automatically the block also moves at a distance. It means the metal ball, when it is in a rest, it is not getting the energy, not acquiring energy. When it is in motion, it is acquiring the energy, and such energy is said to be a kinetic energy. What is a kinetic energy? Energy possessed by an object. Let me show this. This is the definition of the kinetic energy. This is the definition of kinetic energy. So, energy possessed by an object to move object due to its motion is called kinetic energy. You are kicking a ball. Straight to that we arranged one water bottle. When you kick the ball it goes and hits the water bottle. This shows that ball is acquiring its energy due to its motion. Such energy is called as a kinetic energy. And to derive the equation for the kinetic energy, we will use one simple method, that is V square minus U square is equals to 2AS. And F is equals to MA. F is equals to MA according to Newton's second law. And this is from the Newton's laws of motion. V square minus U square is equals to 2AS. See children, here in this V square minus U square by 2AS. In this equation, can you frame the equation for S? Yes. S is equals to V square minus U square by 2A, and F is equals to MA. F is equals to MA. Remember this equation, V square minus U square by 2a. S equals to v square minus u square by 2a. This is the one equation. Now f is equals to ma, v square minus u square is equals to 2a. Yes, by using that you get the equation for w. W is nothing but w is f into s. You know the f value, that is ma. S value v square minus u square by 2a. A get cancelled. By 2 can be written as half. W is equals to half mv square. Mv square minus u square. That is the equation for kinetic energy. Why? Because W is nothing but a work. Work can be done in two ways, whether it is in a motion or whether it is in a constant. If it is in a motion, we will call it as a kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. So instead of W, we can write it as a Ke. Clear? K is equals to half mv square minus u square, or it can be written as half mv square if only one velocity is given. So what is our actual definition? That is Ke equals to half m v square minus u square. V square minus u square. This is the equation for the kinetic energy. What is the kinetic energy? Energy possessed by object due to its motion is said to be a kinetic energy. Here you can see this is the equation for the kinetic energy. This is the equation for the kinetic energy. That is W is equals to half mv square when u is equals to 0. When u is equals to 0. Clear? Now let us talk about the few examples are given and already it is solved. Based on the formula, you need to solve the equations. And what is the next energy? Potential energy. What is meant by potential energy? What is the kinetic energy? Energy possessed by a body due to its motion is said to be kinetic energy. And what is energy? Capacity to do work is said to be energy. What is the work? When a force is applied on an object, it should move certain distance. Then work is said to be done. Work is said to be done. Understanding potential energy. Understanding potential energy. You can see the 13a and 13b. A bow and arrow. In the first case, the bow is placed on the arrow. Next, second, when the string of that bow is pressed, automatically arrow goes with a greater speed. It means the position of the arrow is changed due to its shape. Due to its shape. So, energy possessed by a body due to its shape is said to be a potential energy. Potential energy. Take a pencil, just you poke it. And turn the pencil from the other end, just you poke it. As it is a sharp, you will get more pain. And other side, when it is a blunt, you will get a less. So, the energy is gaining by that pencil due to its shape. So, energy possessed by a body due to its shape is known as potential energy. Potential energy. Here, few examples of potential energy is given and equation for the potential energy. What is the equation for the potential energy? W is equals to F into displacement. Work definition is when a force is applied, object should move certain distance or a displacement. Force is mg. When object is thrown up due to its position, so mass as well as the acceleration due to gravity. The speed is included due to its gravity, and displacement is nothing but a height. Here it is taken as apple is falling from a tree. Due to its position is getting the energy. So that energy will call it as a potential energy, and potential energy is given as F into displacement, that the force is mg into h, that is taken as a mgh. mgh. Potential energy is nothing but mgh. Potential energy of the object at a height is given as mgh. The energy possessed by a body because of its position or a shape is called potential energy. What is energy? Capacity to do work is said to be energy, and we have two types of energies: Potential energy, kinetic energy. And potential energy is energy possessed by body due to its position, and kinetic energy due to its motion, and due to its position only. Potential energy. Kinetic energy is the energy possessed by a body due to its motion. So when an object gains its energy when motion, it is said to be kinetic energy. When an object gains its energy due to its position or a shape, is said to be potential energy. Potential energy is denoted with the letter PE. P is equals to mgh, and KE equals to half mv square. Half mv square. So comes to the mechanical energy. How the one form of energy is conserved into the conservation of energy. Conservation of energy. How will not conversation? Sorry, ma. Conservation of energy. Let me read this paragraph. We find in nature a number of instances of conversion of energy from one form to the other form. Sun is a big source of energy in nature. Solar energy from the sun is converted into various forms like light, heat, and other energies. Apart from this, we observe various instances of energy conversions in our day-to-day activities. Live conversion of electrical energy into the heat energy by iron box, chemical energy into light energy by a torchlight. Let us discuss few more examples of how the light energy is converted into one form of energy into the other forms. And first it is given as some energy sources are in a nature directly occur. Some are in a day-to-day activities with their batteries. Heat from the sun used for preparing food by plants to get converted into chemical energy, and heat from the sun is absorbed the water and it is evaporated and forms a clouds, and heat from the sun is absorbed by the plants, and we'll eating that we'll get make our energy, and we will use our energy in other forms. So here electrical energy, how the state situation of energy conversions. Electric conversion of electrical energy in mechanical energy. Electric fan. Conversion of electrical energy is heating energy, that is electric rice cooker. Conversion of electric energy into heat energy, that is iron box. Conversion of electrical energy into sound energy, that is calling bells. So one form of energy can be converted into the other form and other ways of energies. Here conversions are given by using a simple formula and a power definition afterwards. Ideas of the sources of energy. So let us discuss what is conversion of conversion of energy. Take a long thread of 50 to 60 centimeter long and attach a small heavy object like a metal ball at one end to the nail fixed with that. Now pull the bob or a object to the other pendulum of one side. You may notice that bob swings towards opposite side and reaches the point. It repeats this motion over and over again. The potential energy of the bob is minimum at A and reaches maximum at A1 because of the height of the bob is maximum at that position. When the bob is released from this point, its potential energy decreases and kinetic energy starts increasing slowly. When the bob is released from the point A1, its potential energy decreases and kinetic energy starts increasing. When the bob reaches the position A, its kinetic energy reaches maximum and potential energy reaches minimum. When the bob reaches the positions A, kinetic energy reaches maximum and potential energy becomes a minimum. So in this way, one form of energy is converted into the other form of energy. Thus energy is neither created nor destroyed, but it can changes from one form to the other form. Thus the total mechanical energy in the system of the pendulum remains the constant. Energy is neither created nor destroyed, but changes one form to the other forms. Now let us have a simple discussion. It is height, which is located at the height is meters. Velocity of an object in different heights. potential energy, kinetic energy and total energy. So all these are the different types of energies we have. And now let us have another topic is work, power. What is the power? Rate of doing work is said to be a power. So generally the power is used for especially for the machines. See, in our day-to-day life we observe many situations where some activities being completed in different time intervals. For example, a FT rickshaw puller is able to reach the destination in less time, where compared the other thinner rickshaw puller. Sometimes we notice that grinder in our home takes more time to grind 1 kg of dal when compared to the grinder in the neighbor's house. So what do you think, that its power is more, its power is less? So power is nothing but a rate of doing work. Rate of doing work. With respect to the time how you are completing the work, it's said to be rate of doing work. And power is measured, unit of power is a watt. Units of power is watts. Okay. And 1 kilowatt is equals to 1000 joules per second. 1000 joules into second. Based on this also we have a power. And source of energy. What are the sources of energy? Renewable sources of energy and non-renewable sources of energy. So the energy sources which can be get back again by using continuously, they are called as a renewable sources of energy. The cannot be quickly replaced if were exhausted, so they are called non-renewable sources. Energy sources which can be get back again by continuously using such sources are called renewable sources. And energy sources which cannot be regained again and again by using, they are called non-renewable sources. Now some of the renewable sources we are going to discuss in our lesson. So what we have discussed, children? We discussed about a power, potential energy, kinetic energy. What is a potential energy? Energy possessed by a body due to its motion, due to its power, due to its position, not motion. And what is a kinetic energy? Energy possessed by an object due to its motion. And kinetic energy is denoted with the letter Ke. Ke is equals to half mv square, or half mv v square minus u square. And potential energy is denoted with the letter Pe, that is equals to mgh. Clear? And what are the renewable sources? The sources which can be get back again and again after using such sources are called renewable sources, which cannot be replaced if once it is used. They are called as exhausted. They are called as a non-renewable sources. So tomorrow in the next class we are going to learn few more topics of how energy is converted into one form of energy into the other forms. Okay children, try to complete your classworks and project. Thank you, ma'am.